Also, there are many misconceptions and misunderstandings regarding Taqdeer. People feel that if everything has been written beforehand, we have to do that, we have to follow that. So if it is written in our Taqdeer that I have to speak a lie, then I would speak a lie. If it is written in my Taqdeer that I have to steal, then I have to steal. If it is written in my Taqdeer that na'uzubillah I have to commit adultery, then I have to commit adultery. So why should I be punished? So that's the understanding of several people. People feel that we are forced like stones, as the stone doesn't make any intention, any decision, any move. So that's our condition. And some people feel that if we are punished, then that's an oppression. That is not fair. So that is a severe misunderstanding. In fact, man is not forced like a stone, like a brick, like a wall. Neither he is absolutely powerful upon everything. There are areas in which he doesn't have power, and there are areas in which he does have a power. What to do, what not to do, to choose between right and wrong, to choose between lawful and unlawful, to choose between permissible and impermissible, that is within the control of every person. And the other issues like when the rain will come and when the rain will not come, when the sickness will come, when the sickness will go, when the death will come, these are those issues that we don't have power over it. So that is important to understand, that in which area we are powerful and in which area we are not powerful. A story comes to mind. Some people who believe that we are forced, so if we do something wrong, we shouldn't be blamed for that. Now, there was a man who went into a fruit farm of someone, and he climbed on the tree and started breaking fruits and started eating. The farmer came and he saw some activity and he realized that there's somebody on the tree and he's breaking fruits. And he looked at this man and he said, "Hey man, why are you doing this? Don't you know that this is not lawful for you? This is not your property. For you to steal and eat is haram. It's not allowed." So this man says to the owner of that tree, the farmer, he said, "It looks like you don't read Quran." The farmer was shocked to hear that he's a steal, and on top of he's a thief, he's stealing, and on top of that he's talking about reading Quran and understanding Quran. So he said, "What do you mean?" He said, "Well, it's written in Quran that nothing happens without the will of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal. So if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not will, then a person like me, 100 kg or more or less, such huge body, how I could have climbed on the tree and then break the fruit and eat the fruit? Because it was written in the Taqdeer, it is already planned, that's why it's happening." He said, "Okay." He pulled him from the leg, brought him down, and he took out his heavy shoe and he started hitting him. When he felt the pain, and he said, "Why are you hitting me?" So the farmer said, "It looks like you also don't read Quran like me. Don't you know that nothing happens without the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not will that I should be giving you hiding, then I would not have been doing that." So then he said, "I understand, please leave me now, but I understand the masla of Taqdeer today, that there are areas in which we are powerful and we make our own decisions. In fact, the matter of taqdeer is this, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the knowledge of past, present and future. So nothing is hidden from Him. Whatever we were going to do in the future, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knew in the past, and He wrote down everything. He ordered the pen to write on the tablet, and because His knowledge is perfect and nothing is going to happen against His knowledge, so whatever we are going to do, it's already written. It's in this sense. In other words, to make it simple, that it is not that we are going to do what is written there. In fact, what we were going to do with our own will and desire, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had the knowledge about it in the past. Therefore, that has been written in the Lawh, and that becomes our taqdeer and our destiny.